coronavirus COVID-19 is presenting new and unique challenges. We are navigating uncharted water with this virus, making it important to find new ways to work and interact while also taking care of our mental health and well-being. Many are teleworking full-time for the first time, isolated from co-workers, friends, and also family. Our daily life routine are disrupted, causing added anxiety, stress, and also strain, including physically, mentally, and also financially. So it is completely natural for this disruption and uncertainty to lead to anxiety and also stress. Now more than ever, we all must take care of our mental health and well-being. As we protect ourselves against potential exposure to the coronavirus, keep in mind that social distancing does not mean social isolation. So hi, I'm Syaheerah Atiqah, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the way we work and the way it works working remotely during COVID-19.
Pandemic is a word that, if misused, can cause unreasonable fear or unjustified acceptance that the fight is over, leading to unnecessary suffering and death.
Di Malaysia telah berlaku peningkatan kes COVID-19 secara mendadak. Untuk itu, kerajaan memutuskan untuk melaksanakan Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan.
As shown in the video, our country has been caught up in the COVID-19 pandemic. Thus, a lot of sector has been shut down due to this lockdown. A lot of workers has been told off to work from home, and this has become a difficulty for a lot of people since we never been in this situation. So, in this channel, I wanted to show you guys on how do we keep our mental health and productivity in check while working remotely during this movement control order. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, the first question is, how do you keep our mental health in check while working from home? Let me help you get through this. First of all, you need to have a regular schedule. This can be done using a lot of methods. For example, there are a lot of applications that you can download in the App Store or the Play Store. For me, I'm just using the most convenient way, which is the built-in calendar app in my iPhone. As you can see, I already planned my schedule for a month just by using this built-in calendar. You can see that the dot on the date indicates that I have a plan on that day. By using this app, I can stay productive and organized. You can also plan your schedule based on a daily basis. This can make you stay organized and also make you feel productive. By having a regular schedule, you can create and maintain a routine. You can also set up a designated space for you and each family member to work and learn. And don't forget to include a periodic break for recharging in your schedule. Although everyone's schedule will be different, you can figure out the best one to work on your own. Next is get creative and stay connected. You can stay connected with family, friends, and support system using technology like FaceTime, Skype, and Google Hangout, and also other video-based options. You can talk about your fears, concerns with people you trust. Chances are they're feeling the same way. You also can share tips with coworkers and friends on what working well for you, and also encourage them to do the same. For example, you can come up with new ideas like planning a Google Hangout to exercise together. Try 1-minute plank, 10 jumping jacks, or whatever you decide. Just keep it simple. Maybe you can also share photos of pet enjoying the new routine, or watch movies at the same time while texting or Skyping. While working from home, you need to keep your immune system strong. Make a commitment to staying strong by washing your hand with soap for 20 seconds. It's about 2 rounds of the birthday song, I think. And you also need to get enough sleep, because good sleep can improve your brain performance and boost your mood and also improve your health. Eating well and staying hydrated and also taking vitamin can also help. If circumstances allow, you can go outside for a brisk walk and fresh air. But avoid crowd and try to maintain the recommended 6 foot distance with others. Last but not least is to stay informed. Knowledge is power, and it's good to stay updated on progress being made in combating the virus. Stay informed on the latest update from reliable sources like Centers of Disease Control, CDC, and the World Health Organization, WHO, and also from the KKM, which is the Kementerian Kesehatan Malaysia. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful, especially for those who are working from home. And that's all for me. Bye.